5 amp.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
This is 7S8P battery, 24 volts. I'm gonna connect it in series with another, the same type, for an e-battery, e-bike battery. The cells are Samsung 29E, this version 6. Let's remove the excess. Try to get it as close as possible. And this one I use on the other side to connect to the bus bar. So no throwing away. I'm reusing them. And since they're easy to spot weld, that makes it good. Then the bus bar will take the current, so it's very short, so the voltage drop won't be so massive. But this won't burn off in 10 amps. This will hold. So this 29E can give 5.5 amp continuously. So I put 5 amps fuses, glass fuses. So I think that will be enough. We'll see. I'm just putting it right where the bend is and push pretty firmly and fast. So time to solder some pieces to the bus bar, and I'm cleaning it with just a normal rag here where I put some water on it. The bus bar takes pretty long time to heat up. There we have it. I'm doing it at 390 degrees Celsius. So when you start to get heat into the bus bar, it goes easier. The bus bar is hot. Otherwise it will melt the plastic. A bit slow there. I'm just doing it. It's easy for me to do it the other way, but as you can see, I do this so that you can see. Holy crap, I almost shit my pants. This got, whew, sorry about, oof, scary shit. These batteries are not to play with. So we need to replace this one, and I started by putting away the plastic protection there, break them away, and I have desoldered the fourth one, and I have released this one, just cutting it off. So these are pretty easy to break away, but you gotta be careful so you don't short anything. Yeah, I have to use both hands, I think. There we have it. So if we're lucky, we might be able to push it out now. Yeah, I'll have to adjust it a bit. Now it is possible to push through. Here it comes. Gotta put something to pull on the other side, but you get the idea. And maybe just scare it. You don't want to short anything. Gotta keep this under control. Yeah, but just get a plier and pull it out. And it's out. So we got a new one. Put isolation on the top and just start pushing it in. Having a bit of a hard time getting it in, so I've sanded it down a bit, and you can see that it has a batch number here also. But now I think it might go in a bit lighter, easier. And there we have it in place. So just gonna hot glue it then later, but first solder it into place. So here are the electrodes for the spot welding. You can see that it has been hit by something. So you can almost see inside. How close can I get? Yeah, they're sort of rolled like this, many pieces. And after putting back this and putting back the fuse on the other side, on the plus side, positive side, it's time to hot glue back in place here. So I just put something where the left in the corners. And hopefully that is enough to keep it in place. Something like that.